Hi, my name is Aningaaq Maria Katrine Jensen Olsen, but you can call me Sikki. I work at Tusass, the post office in Greenland. Every Tuesday we receive mail by helicopter. Since there are only 8 people living in Greenland, we don't have much work to do. However, sometimes we face a long address. It's because we have long street names, such as But you know what? We don't only have long street names. We also have colorful houses. Who cares about all the long addresses when we have a much easier way to show the destination for mail? Come with me.
See? If you don't remember the address or you don't want to write the long address in Greenlandic, you can just write the color of the house. Just the color. Then I will safely deliver your mail to its final destination.
But don't you want to experience the many different colors of houses we have here in Greenland? Then visit Greenland. Hope to see you here. Tusass! Tekus! Personally serving all 8 of you.